Hey guys, we're just doing lawn mowing, and this is Ryobi electric and stuff lawn mowing. Still empty.
Open mo, pakita mo sa kanila. Open it.
Open this, still quite full.
Gabi, you will put here, okay?
Make and colorful.
Yeah.
Then sa
I'm gonna put an agreement to the.
Good job.
and then
Then
Looking
place
good,
the
baby.
backpack to mow lawn mower.
Wow, looks green.
We're in another grass, then we start lawn mowing.
Wow, looking good. Okay. Also, did you say that they have that Stella but tall grass, baby?
Sa bagabo, yun na yung tuto ni Mami.
Yan ako. Still, you can...
Need help?
Mommy! We need help! Mommy! We need help!
Okay, wait na.
Help with this. Help with me.
What happened?
Kasama ka sa vlog.
Take out the battery.
You want to take out the battery?
Yeah. We're
Why, it's
done.
very hard?
Yeah.
Okay. You have to push both sides. Oh, there
Yeah,
you go.
take it out and check the temperature.
And then how to
Okay, show to them.
It's 3!
Show to them.
It's 3. It's 3. We need shots. We need another one. We need another one. We need another and yeah. We need another one to connect to the weed heater using for the edges. How about this one? Oh, okay, okay. We pick up this battery for the weed heater. We can. Weed heater also leave the grass on the ground. So lawn mower, pick up the grass. Hook it on. This weed heater. That's it. That's it. Then move it. Take it out this grass. That's it. Move it out. And also remove the bag. Then take it out. Then also take it out. Then another one. Then take it out. Then raise it down just like this way. Then put it here. Put it here. That's it. Put it here. Put it here. That's it. And the bag here. Then we're using our weed heater for the edges. Just like this. Here's some there. Whoa, what the heck? Whoa, that weed heater.
Pull it down.
Yes. Then we're done. Then cut up in the other edges. Then we're here, through here. That's it. Then we're weed heating all the edges too.
Ayun ko mo naman.
See you guys watching. Bye.